In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process of building a custom report from opening the reporting area to saving your finished report to a dashboard. This is a useful skill if you want to track performance, monitor trends, or give your team a clear view of live data inside HubSpot. To get started, go to HubSpot and sign into your account. Once you're on the main HubSpot screen, look to the top navigation and click on Reporting. From the drop-down options, select Reports. This takes you to the Reports area where you can manage existing reports and create new ones. Next, click on Create. When the menu appears, choose Create Report. HubSpot will then show you different report building options. For this process, click on Custom Report. This option gives you more flexibility, especially if you want to control exactly which data appears in your report. After selecting Custom Report, click Next to move forward. At this stage, you'll choose your primary data source. This is the main type of data your report will be built around, such as contacts, deals, companies, or another object available in your portal. You can also toggle on additional data sources if you want to connect related information from different areas. This is especially helpful when your report needs to show relationships between records rather than just one type of data on its own. Once you've selected the data sources you want, click Next again. Now you'll be inside the report builder. This is where the report starts to take shape. Drag and drop the fields you want into the Configure tab. These fields determine what information appears in the report and how it is organized. As you build, set filters to narrow down the data. For example, you might filter by a specific date range so the report only shows recent activity or a defined time period. Using filters carefully helps keep your report focused and easier to interpret. When everything looks right, click Save Report. You'll then give the report a name that clearly describes what it tracks. After naming it, add it directly to an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard for it. This makes the report easy for your team to access and allows everyone to view updated live data in one place. And that's how to create reports in HubSpot. Once you've done this a few times, the process becomes much faster and you'll be able to build reports that are both practical and easy for your team to use.